Hello students, this is Dr. Choppara Balakotaya, Department of Economics, Andhra University. Today I am discussing about 2 marks questions in managerial economics, that is historical cost versus replacement costs. Historical cost. Historical cost is the original price paid for plant, machinery, material, etc. Historical costs are those costs that have been originally spent to acquire the assets. The financial statements are generally based on the historical costs. The financial statements are generally based on the historical costs. Next one, replacement cost. Replacement costs means the price of the plant, machinery, materials at the present market price. Replacement cost means the price of the plant, machinery, materials at the present market price. Replacement costs are those costs that are to be paid currently if the asset were to be replaced. The replacement cost is the cash outlay that firm has to pay in order to replace an old asset at the current market price. For example, suppose the machinery now in use was purchased at 10,000 rupees 10 years ago. It is called the historical cost. Suppose you have to replace it by a new one because the old one is worn out. Now that present price of the machinery is 20,000 rupees. This amount is called the replacement cost. So, historical costs need to be readjusted by replacement costs for proper business decision making and measurement of real profits. Okay, thank you students.